Telemola ke sinot len entai level.
Antara ni kamburaki maina VTFM sama ibotong ko ruan na miniti mitul kalau ko serta ko sila Stanton rara lebu maina lawang kapak maina runga me pakai voidor tokina na ikaruan ni ochuti sio kwembe kan ikaruan gim ni shot ni bansa na Joseph brother servant profi kartu sangato kana dorbo na itauke ni vindela na kuntu maina itasiri mertu mikali rakali me vertu ni token rara na dorbo ni na kurvo rua kasa to katanga mai jenogo nan to mukola kibiti na buturara ni gitu ko na rakavi na buso pertanyo gremi den ambula bina ka grem ene kabin dai sai kwango na nokto itubutu bana dorbo nei tasiri ambula bina ka grem.
And well, thank you once again this afternoon. The Lawangi back in now a very fine condition. We can see the sun as it's hanging onto the sky. The nature change in the paddock is absolutely it's a big, huge, one of the biggest turnout I could have ever seen in the previous game. It was the match between these two provinces in Norway against 90-0. Well, the lineup for 90-0, the two big props. I can say it was a visual hour with the Sireli Chemo, Nicky Sungturanga comes in. The two lots, it was Apse Rina Malum with the captain Siniverati winning ball out. The Frankers Apse Rotunia hour with the Chimilana kind of putting it, McEvoon at number 8. The halfback it was Wesley Vatuvuka. The playmaker is the small constable Amanin Bosinawai. It's second Ilevulo. The center company elevated in a hour. The two wings are political with the native series adopted son from Narunga. It was Sunny Levitao and putting up the seventh visit in the Sunny Walker at fullback. For the Narunga teams on props, it was a Citifano Sunova with the Chico Matualu. Nauri comes in it, hooker. The two looks are European senior with the Nimani Ngusa. Franklin's other hotel with the Messi Yanivo and the number 8 who's controlling the 7 parts of the well oil extra strength and Narunga machine. It was in Mosisi Volovola. The halfback really Chaka, it's playmaker Chonitani Rulu, the second Choreli Lutawa, the second Choreli Lutumelani, the two wings, it was the Soanavua with second Sunivaka, and the top point scorer for this beer pickup, it was the small magical boots at fullback, the Kingman Micheli Vangilin. Down they go, and the referee is penalized one of the native series forwards. A rollaway tackler, you cannot do that while you're lying onto the ground, and the referee is given a penalty to Naunga. It was Michi, as he plays it nicely, a 1-2-3 step down, a big 90-degree turn. Lingering up his fingertips on his shots, a huge breath from the running level, as he comes in and he kills it off. And yes, the facts are up. It's free to now near to native series. We'll be returning to the city for a couple of music and the sponsors of the compliments of the company of BSP FMF, our first choice in the roofing profile Fiji.